Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you guys how to create music freely using AI. So this is free. I heard on other apps you could create music, but for limited credit. For right now, I will show you how to create music free royalty using Gemini. So it's quite simple. You just go to the Gemini.com or gemini.google.com, and then whatever your tier is, I believe if you are in free tier, you could do this method. Okay, you go to the Gemini and then you choose your model. For me, I think it's up. It's depend on you, and then you just click this plus. Oh, I have to sign in. Wait, I have to sign in first. Okay, I'm signed in already, and then here you just click this plus icon, and then you can see this is the option of create music. You just click that one, and then this Gemini will offer you several themes. So this is the default theme. There are 90s rap, Latin pop, folk ballad, 8-bit. I don't know, 8-bit, maybe techno music. I don't know. Workout, reggae, and then R&B romance, kawaii metal, whatever it is. Okay, I'm not sure what kind of theme all of this, but let's try to work out. I don't know, maybe I just want to create a background music while I'm exercise. So happy to do exercise after I work. Write me a music that's suitable for me. Let's just create this simple prompt. Okay, it will take about 30 seconds, so I will pause a little bit. Okay, now it's already generated. Let's see how it sounds. Why? Well, I mean, wow, it's quite beating my heart. Okay, that's cool if I want to use this music while I'm exercising. And wow, quite energetic. So this is free royalty music, so you could use this kind of method while you're making content on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or anything. This is free copyright music. Even if you serious on it, you could make a viral music using it. If everyone using your music, and then recreate, snap your content, and then your music will be go viral, it will be nice for you. Okay, that's it. This is very simple tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.